Hi, welcome to this new video on Excel shortcuts. In this video, we will be discussing Excel shortcuts from Ctrl+A to Ctrl+Z. So in the previous three videos, we did discuss about the first 30 shortcut keys in Excel. From Ctrl+A to Ctrl+Z, 26 shortcut keys will be discussed in this tutorial. So the first shortcut for today, that is Ctrl+A. When we use this shortcut, the total area will get selected. Okay. We select the total area. We use the shortcut Ctrl+A. Okay. Where all the data is present. All the columns and all the rows where the data is present. Those cells will be selected by using the shortcut Ctrl+A. Now the second shortcut, Ctrl+B. What this Ctrl+B will do? Bold. It is on and off. When we use the shortcut Ctrl+B, the text that we select will become bold, or the cell that we select will become bold. Okay. This is the use of shortcut Ctrl+B. So when you think about duplication of text, copy is nothing but duplication. When you want to see the same cell data in another location or another cell, we have to simply copy it and we have to simply paste it. Okay. For duplication of selected text, we go for use of Ctrl+C. Now this Ctrl+D shortcut will be very useful. Sir, how this is very useful? Suppose if I write 12 here. So if I use Ctrl+D in the below cell, now I have in D5, I have 12. Now I have selected D6 and I am clicking on Ctrl+D. The data that is present in top cell will be copied to down cell by using the shortcut Ctrl+D. What I did? The data on the top cell is 12. I came to D6 and I clicked on Ctrl+D. Okay. This is the use of to copy data from the top cell. We can use the shortcut Ctrl+D. To the next shortcut. That is Ctrl+E. What is that? Flash fill. Now if you see the process here, so on the top, the values of D6 and A6 combined in F6 cell. In the similar manner, when I select these two cells and click on Ctrl+E, the same pattern will be followed here. Whatever pattern that is there on the top, the same pattern will be also followed on the downside. That is the use of flash fill. The pattern in which the values of different cells combined in F6, the same pattern is followed in the remaining cells by using the shortcut Ctrl+E, and we also call it as flash fill. Okay. So coming to the next shortcut, that is Ctrl+F. So to find some text, some data in Excel worksheet, we go for use of shortcut Ctrl+F or find. So but if I think about selecting something like where is bold? Okay, if I select find next, I have here, that is only present in one location. Then go to. Ctrl+G is go to. So here we can go for different constants, we can check formulas, right? Numbers, text, logicals. We have so many options here. Current region, okay, blanks. Like this, we can go for data validation will be there. So go to specially. So go to will allow us to move to different parts of Excel worksheet, and it is very useful option with Ctrl+Z. Now Ctrl+H. If you want to replace something, suppose here I have copies, right? What I am doing, I am using the shortcut Ctrl+H, and here I am changing copies into copies. Okay, replacement is done. Okay, that is the use of shortcut Ctrl+H. So Ctrl+I, italic. The text will be slanted slightly towards right. Okay, it is also access on and off. Right? So to remove the previous text in find dialog box, we use the shortcut Ctrl+J. When I now find dialog box is open. If I use the shortcut Ctrl+J, whatever data present in find what text box will be removed. Then Ctrl+K. What is Ctrl+K? Hyperlink. If you want to use a bookmark, if you want to create a link to another file, program, or any other image, that can be done by using the shortcut Ctrl+K, or a hyperlink can be created. Suppose if you think about creating a table or inserting a table, suppose if I want to create a table here, I have to select this and I have to simply click on Ctrl+L. Automatically, table will be created over there. Okay. Next, Ctrl+N, new workbook. New Excel file will be opened by using the shortcut Ctrl+N. Okay. Ctrl+O, open. Already existing files in the computer will be opened by using the shortcut Ctrl+O. For printing dialog box, print dialog box, we can go for use of Ctrl+P shortcut. Ctrl+Q, we don't have any shortcut for Ctrl+Q. Ctrl+R, fill right. So what is this fill right? You just let me delete this and let me show you one more time. Suppose I have one here. So Ctrl+R. Okay, Ctrl+R will allow me to fill towards the right. Fill right is possible. What I did? Only one here. I'm selecting all the cells to the right. I'm clicking on Ctrl+R. So with that, all the cells towards the right are filled with value that I selected first. Then Ctrl+S for saving the changes permanently. If it is for the first time, we can also specify the name. Similar to Ctrl+L, even Ctrl+D is useful for insertion of table. We have to select the cells and we have to simply click on Ctrl+T. The table will be created. For underlining the text, we have to go for use of Ctrl+U. And after cut or copy, to get information, to paste information from clipboard, after cut or copy operation, we have to use the shortcut Ctrl+V. So Ctrl+W will close the file. When I use Ctrl+W, it will ask me whether to save the changes or not. I am simply clicking on cancel because I don't want to close the file. Ctrl+W. Ctrl+X for cut. If you think about moving a particular information from one place to another, I'm cutting it from here and I'm pasting it here. Okay. To move data from one cell to another, we use the shortcut Ctrl+X. Ctrl+Y. So whatever operation that we did previously, to repeat the same action, we go for use of shortcut Ctrl+Y. Ctrl+Y is redo and Ctrl+Z is undo. Okay. So I'm simply doing bold here. If I use the same Ctrl+Y, what is happening? Whatever bold operation that took place previously, it is happening again. If I use Ctrl+Z, we come back from previous operation. To repeat the previous operation, Ctrl+Y. To get back to previous position and to avoid previous operation, we have the shortcut Ctrl+Z. These are Ctrl+Z. These are the shortcuts from Ctrl+A to Ctrl+Z in Excel. Okay, thank you.